Hello. Well, I have to make a correction with to do a blanket or a washcloth with this stitch. So after you chain, you're starting to decrease and you chain one at the end. So you go into the first stitch, back loop, you pull up a loop, you go the second stitch, the back loop, you pull up a loop, you have 3 loops, pull the yarn through all 3 loops, and then you're gonna continue into the next stitch, back loop, you're gonna do a single crochet, next stitch, back loop, single crochet, and you have 2 stitches left. So you're gonna go into the next stitch, back loop, pull up a loop, last stitch, back loop, pull up a loop, 3 loops. Then you're gonna pull the yarn through all 3 loops, chain 1, turn your work, and now you have 4 stitches here, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we're gonna go to the first one, back loop, pull up a loop, move to the next stitch, pull up a loop, you have 3 loops, pull the yarn through all 3 loops. Then you're gonna go to the next stitch, back loop, pull up a loop, last stitch, go in there, back loop, pull up a loop, 3 loops, pull the yarn through all 3 loops, chain 1, turn your work, and you're gonna have 2 stitches left, yeah, 1 and 2. So we're gonna go to the first stitch here, into the back loop, pull up a loop, next stitch, and the last one, go in there, back loop, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull the yarn through all 3 loops. Then you're gonna chain 1, and you're gonna start, you know, if you want to put a border, so you're gonna have to go in there, you know, and on the sides here, and do the, yeah. So yeah, when I did the stitch, I don't know, I just rushed. So now you have kind of equal, like you see the square, it's nice and squarish. Yeah, let me put this a little bit that you can see, like that. So it's square. So when you are left with 2 stitches there, then you're gonna go through those last 2 stitches. And you can make a washcloth, you can make a blanket. I think a blanket will go really fast with this stitch, and it's interesting because it's gonna come like this, you know, diagonal, really nice. Okay, well, you know, get to crocheting some blankets or washcloth or dishcloth or whatever you like to do with this stitch. Yeah, okay, well, thank you for watching. Bye bye.